Alright y'all, so we are back. Today is another busy day at my house, and I'm doing my client's hair, and it's power washing, so I'm about to get some of him. So I gotta go back and do some hair because that's just what I gotta do. So yeah. So the kids are here. Say hello. Say hi. Say what's up. Look, you see yourself? You see yourself? Say wow. Wow. And this is a birthday girl. Gotta do her hair. Alright, here we go.
Alright y'all, so we at Holly Farm for my daughter's field trip, and I didn't charge the battery, so hopefully we'll get as much of this as we can on camera. But yeah, we out here. Riley B got her field trip out here at the Holly Farm. I haven't been to no farm type of thing since I was in elementary school, so we finna enjoy this best that we can. So yeah, I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. You gotta show mommy, say hey. Yeah, hayride. Y'all about to take a hayride. Riley, say hey, mommy. Yeah, so I'm finna take a hayride. Riley saw the little bounce house thing, and I almost lost her mind. That's it. Now we about to go. Look, see it? This might be the best thing for this trip. The phone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so about to ride around. I'll show y'all a little bit. Some cornfields back there. Got the whole class with this. What you want? Alright, y'all, so as you can see, we're on the farm taking a hayride right now. Looking at all types of things. I'm excited because this is Riley's first time going on any type of field trip. Her class is full of autistic children, so this was special to me, special to them. We didn't get to stay the whole time because Riley just was all over the place. For some reason, they put a bounce house at every corner, expecting the kids to want to pick pumpkins, but hey, I don't run it. I just came to enjoy it with my daughter, and we had a wonderful time. So let's get back into the rest of the trip. You're too big for that, girl. Riley, do this one. Here, ride this. Where you going? Wait. Hey, Riley. Say hey, everybody. My name is Riley B. Whee. Stop. Go slide down it. Slide down. She right here.
I'm constantly counting heads.
That's your car? Riley, you too big for all the cars. Here, ride this one.
That's the one for you right there. Come on, you ready?
Just making sure everybody's
Oh my
ready
God.
to be on the bus.
Yeah, she's ready to go. She'll tell you.
Man, I'm about to swat
And I
that
think
beef.
it's like we should be on the bus. Like that doesn't work.
Are you ready for
Hey, Riley.
a spin?
Hey. Hey, you too big for that one.
Riley, honey, just because you can get in it, I don't know about getting out of it, babe. Oh my God, she made it in it. I did.
She can't move in it though. Alright, I got you. Go ahead, get out.
Right, hold on, don't roll over Riley's fingers. Hold on. Oh my God, Riley, girlfriend. All right. Okay. I just didn't want you to get Riley's fingers. Okay, now get on.
Hey.
I saw like a double.
You want to spin? Say spin. Spin. Alright, say spin. Hey. Riley, come shoot in here. Don't throw it. Hey, Riley, don't throw it. Hey, Mama. Hey, Riley. Look. Let me hold your jacket. No. When you get out, you gotta put the shoes on. Put the shoes back on.
No dog pile in the corn.
Riley say, excuse me. Riley say, excuse me. Where you going? Where is you taking me? Riley, where are you taking us? No, you gotta stay over here. Over here. You can't go over there. No, it doesn't matter. You can't go that way. You don't see nobody else over there, so you can't go over there neither. Stop. You can't go over there. Here, go put your face in here. Look. Do this. Come over here. Put your face in there. Hey, Riley. Oh. Go over there. Say hello. Hey. Hey.
That way. Go that
Say
way.
hey.
Follow her. I'm going with you.
Spin. They spin. They spin.
All right, y'all. So obviously we didn't get to pick any pumpkins. Well, we did, but I didn't get to film that part because she was literally just all over the place. But this is kind of the life of being the parent of an autistic child because they just want what they want and they be all over the place. So we end up having to leave the field trip early and we went and got some ice cream. That's what she loves to do.